Okay guys, whenever we talk about percentages, you should be aware of another topic that involves percentages. That's called mixture problems or percent of a solution. Let me straight away dive into the question and tell you what exactly is this question. I've seen a couple of these questions on the SAT exam and I've seen that students sometimes find them a little difficult. How many liters of 20% alcohol solution should be added to 40 liters of 50% alcohol solution to make a 30% solution? You can pause the video and read the question again. So these problems, basically mixture problems, involve creating a mixture from two or more things. You've got this solution, you've got this solution, and you want to create another solution. So, and then you determine some quantity like percentage or the original quantity or price or things like that. Okay, this is what usually the question basically asks. And I'll tell you in very simple terms, there are multiple ways to do this, but the easiest way is this. You need to form two simultaneous equations. Trust me, this is the easiest way. I can make table as well and make this complicated, but you need to keep it very simple. Let me explain how. Now we've got simultaneous equations, so we need to make two equations. The first equation will be of the total quantity that we have. Just remember these things. The first equation will be of total quantity. The second equation will be of percentage. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Okay, the total quantity. How many liters of 20% alcohol solution? Let's assume that X is the amount of 20% alcohol solution. 20% of alcohol solution should be added to 40 liters of 50% alcohol solution to make a 30% solution. Let's say Y is the amount of the 30% solution, alcohol solution. 30% of alcohol solution. So the first quantity will be this one, the first equation. So what do we have? We have got X liters. X plus 40 liters. X plus 40 equals to Y. This is our first equation. Very simple. Always just add the total quantities and you will get your first equation. The second equation will be of percentage. Now we've got how many liters of 20% alcohol solution. We already know that we have this X. So 20% of X is 0.2X plus should be added to 40 liters of a 50% alcohol solution plus 0.5, 50% of 40 liters to make, that is equals to 30% of Y, 0.3Y. And we already have Y, just replace this with Y and you will get your answer. That's it. Let's do that. Let me do it over here. So the first equation is X plus 40 equals Y, and the second equation is 0.2X plus 0.5 into 40. You need to calculate this. I'll just write it as it is, equals 0.3 X plus 40. There you go. This is what you need to solve. And if you do the calculation, I'm just moving on to the answer because it will save us time. You can do the calculation and you will see X comes out to be 80 liters. This is your answer. So you need 80 liters of 20% alcohol solution that should be added to 40 liters of 50% alcohol solution to make a 30% solution. Also, there's some common sense involved as well. You've got 40 liters of 50% solution and you want your answer to be 30%, let's say. So you need to add a lot of 20% because 30 is closer to 20 and not 50. So obviously you need a higher amount than 40. See? So hence this is your answer. Let's have a look at another past paper question. How many liters of a 25% saline solution must be added to 3 liters of a 10% saline solution to obtain a 15% saline solution? Exactly same problem. So you know the trick now. You need to form two equations. The first will be of the total quantity and the second will be of percentage. How many liters? That's X plus How many liters of a 25% saline solution must be added to 3 liters? We have this quantity equals our 15% saline solution, that is Y. This is our first equation. Now we need to look at our second equation, which will be of percentage. So how many liters of a 25% saline solution becomes 0.25x plus 0.1 into 3 equals 0.15y. There you go. Now you know what you have to do. You simply have to replace y with this and you will have your equation that you have to solve. So it becomes 0.25x plus 0.3 equals 0.15 into x plus 3. It's a no calculator section, hence I will do the calculation for you. 0.25x plus 0.3 equals 0.15x plus 0.15 into 3 is 0.45. Now let's just combine the like terms. 0.25x minus 0.15x, these are the like terms, equals 0.45 minus 0.3. There you go. So we have over here 0.1x equals 0.15. So this is 0.1x, simply multiply both the equations with 10. So if I multiply this with 10 and this with 10 as well, what do I get? I will get x equals 1.5, or you can say 3/2 liters. This is your answer. Let's have a look at another question with a different variable. John wants to make 100 milliliter of 5% alcohol solution mixing a quantity of 2% alcohol solution with a 7% alcohol solution. What are the quantities of each of the two solutions, 2% and 7%, he has to use? Everything remains the same. You have to form two equations. The first one will be of total quantity. John wants to make 100 milliliter. Now this is the total final quantity that we have. Alcohol solution mixing a quantity of 2% alcohol solution. Let X be the quantity of the 2% alcohol solution and Y be the quantity of the 7% alcohol solution, because these quantities are not given, but we know the total quantity. X plus Y should be equal to 100. There you go, very simple. And the second equation we know will be of percentage. So we have 2% of X, that is 0.02 of X plus 0.07 of Y equals 0.05 of 100. There you go. Now just simplify. Y equals 100 minus X. So we have 0.02x plus 0.07 into 100 minus X equals, we have 5. These calculations look a little tedious and difficult, but trust me, they're not difficult. You just need to do a couple of questions and you will get the gist of it. Let's just open the bracket and combine the like terms. 0.02x plus 0.07 into 100 is 7, we know that, minus 0.07x equals 5. Now just combine the like terms. We have this x and this x. So 0.02 minus 0.07 is minus 0.05x equals 5 minus 7, which is minus 2. Okay, minus 0.05x equals minus 2. Now the minus sign is on both sides. We can easily cancel this out. We are left with 0.05x equals 2. Now you don't need to worry about this. Just simply multiply both the sides by 100. That's it. Multiply this with 100 and multiply this with 100 as well. You will get rid of this decimal point. So on left hand we have 5x equals 200 we have on the right side. There you go. Now you divide, you know x equals 200 divided by 5 is 40. Similarly, y equals, so x plus y equals 100. Now we have 40 plus y equals 100. So y should be 60. There you go.